Protecting passengers is critical when accidents occur, but it's even better to prevent accidents before they happen. In addition to having the best collision safety performance in its class, all-new Elantra is equipped with all of Hyundai's most advanced driver assistance systems. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist uses the vehicle's forward camera and radar to sense automobiles, people, and bicycles to help with braking. Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist helps drivers avoid hitting vehicles in the driver's rear blind spot while changing lanes through differential braking. Rear Cross-Traffic Collision Avoidance Assist helps you to avoid collisions with cross-traffic while backing out. Parking Collision Avoidance Assist also helps you brake to prevent collisions with people or objects in the rear while backing up. Driver Attention Warning detects negligent driving patterns and notifies the driver when a rest is needed. Hyundai's SmartSense safety system goes beyond simple warnings to assist you by applying the brakes. All-new Elantra offers carefree driving for both beginners and driving professionals. Do you still think autonomous driving is a thing of the far-distant future? Enjoy high-tech driving with all-new Elantra, equipped with the best smart driving convenience system in its class. The Smart Cruise Control, which not only controls speed but also forward distance, significantly reduces calf fatigue. When the car in front of you stops and goes in 3 seconds, then your car also stops and goes. If the car in front moves after 3 seconds, an alarm sound is given to the driver. Based on the navigation information, your car automatically decelerates in safety zones and curves on highways. Lane Departure Warning is just warning. Lane Keeping Assist just helps you stay in the lane. Lane Following Assist maintains your car at the center of the lane. Highway Driving Assist helps control the forward distance and keeps you at the center of lane, allowing you to experience a whole new world of long-distance driving. Hyundai's SmartSense driving convenience system. While some have yet to try it, you can't give it up once you do. Both new and experienced drivers can experience comfortable and energized driving with all-new Elantra.